Okay, good morning again. The engine here is the EM1. When we ran it last time, after it was done, I noted that the pin here in this part of the linkage is working its way loose. So I'm going to pop this out and put a little Loctite on there very carefully to make sure that that stays in place. If you've been watching, you know that the EM1 in particular has had a lot of set screws and other screws that come loose, and I'm going to use a smaller, narrower bit for this, so that when I get to tightening that back in, it's going to fit in where it's supposed to go all the way into the set screw. So and then you see that's actually a big pin with a shoulder and a tiny thread on it. Wipe that off thoroughly, and then wipe this yoke off thoroughly. Now, what I'm going to do to make sure that the Loctite, or to keep the Loctite out of the motion area, is I'm actually going to apply it on the side where the threads are. There we go. Snug that in there. Now, and since that one pin worked loose, I'm just going to do the other pin a little as well. This one feels really tight. Honestly, I don't remember if I already Loctited this one or not. That one, I'm just going to loosen out. Wipe off the excess. Alright, both of those have been done. I'm still thinking about reversing the turn direction of this engine, but obviously that would mess with the timing of the engine, and I'm not sure if I want to deal with that right now, just because I'm already waiting on the ET8, and I don't really like having a stack of projects waiting for me all at the same time. If I can only have one broken project to be working on at a time, I prefer that. So I think I'm going to hold off on the EM1, because if anything goes wrong with trying to reverse this rotation, then I will be frustrated by having two projects going. But the Got those pins loctited back in place, and that means this should be ready for another little run on Saturday. So I haven't gotten a shipping notification on the ET8 yet. I did get an update that they're going to give me a replacement, but I don't have the shipping update on that. So see when that arrives, and then we'll find out about that too.